Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep Microsoft Teams from opening up on startup. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for Task Manager. And in the best matches, you'll find Task Manager. Just open it. Just give some time. And after it opens, just maximize this. And after that, you'll see this hamburger menu. Just open it. Then you'll see all the navigation tabs like Processes, Performance, App History, Startup Apps, User, Details, and Services. We also have settings at the bottom. We now need to go inside Startup Apps, so just click on that. And after that, you'll see all the apps that is being started on your system startup. As you can see, some are disabled while some are enabled. Now, under Enabled, you can see one which is Microsoft Teams. Now, if you don't want it to auto start up when your system boots, then what you have to do is just right click on it and click on Disable. Then you'll see the system status has been changed to disabled. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening up on startup. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.